Hello and welcome to another video. In this one I will show you a little plein air kit that I take with me when I travel. Enjoy! So this is the pencil case that I take with me, and here we have a view catcher to catch some beautiful views. Now let's look inside. And ta-da! Yeah, sometimes I go crazy. Too many materials. So what I take like this little card to make some straight lines with pens or with the pencil. Here I have a white Posca, some Pentel water brushes, blending stump, a gray color pencil, an oil pit pencil, a metallic ruler, a masking liquid marker, a gel white pen for highlights, and on the other side I have a pipette, some micron pens. Here I have a waterproof black Lamy. Next to it, it's an eraser. Also have a big pen, mechanical pencil, and a waterproof sailor pen that has a different nib. Now here on the other side I have some little clips, some washi tape, some cotton swabs, a little eraser, and some lead for my mechanical pencil. On the other side I have this towel that can go on your wrist. It's really handy. I have a little sponge and a watercolor travel palette, and a spray bottle to activate the watercolor. I have like other watercolor palettes that I can take, like this one, bigger one, smaller one. It depends. So yeah guys, this is it, a little pencil case with lots of materials to take with me when I go traveling. I also take some big clips and this watercolor sketchbook A5. Also take this little water container that I can clip on the sketchbook or on the easel that I will take. So I also take this little pouch with some Skoda travel brushes and a little more extra water, some wet wipes to wipe something out, and some paper towels. So this is the travel Skoda brushes kit. It comes with 3 brushes, big, a medium, and a small. This is the big one, the number 12. It's really nice to use. This is the medium one, this is the number 6. we have the little one, which is the number 2. I also take this little waterproof pouch to put some wet towels or paper, wet paper or something wet that I have, so it doesn't get water everywhere on my bag. So that's it, guys. This is my travel kit that I take sometimes. I do have smaller kits, but yeah, this is like a travel kit for drawing or painting or sketching, whatever I want to make. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!